What's up, Brewing peeps? Brewing Daddy here, and got a couple announcements to make. We got our winner for the beer brewing kit from morebeer.com, our sponsor, and there'll be a link in the description of them and the kit that we just gave away. And our winner, our lucky winner, is subscriber Wheels and Levers. Congratulations, man. Shoot us an email at daddy@brewingdaddy.com. We're going to get that beer kit out to you. So while we're here, we will give you a little bit of preview of what's coming up on Brewing Daddy channel. And what we got is these 3 batches of beer here. This is our last 3 Northern Brewer batches, and we got a 5-gallon batch that we'll do after we do these 3. So we got right here, we got a cream ale. That's probably gonna be our next one. We got a red Irish red ale, and then we got a nut brown ale. So bunch of ales. So we're gonna finish off March with a bang and start with doing some ales, and we're drinking an Innkeeper while we're at it. But anyways, congratulations again to Wheels and Levers. Appreciate you guys subscribing. We really love being able to put out content for you like this, and we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna come up with some more giveaways. Gonna put our head around it, wrap our mind around it, and figure out what we're gonna give away next. Maybe some more Brewing Daddy merchandise. We'll change it up a little bit, but we'll definitely be giving away another beer kit at some point. So stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for these 3 beers right here. We're gonna be making them soon. Appreciate you. Hope you have a great day. Peace out. We'll see you next time.